Encounter the error 3194 when updating or restoring your iPhone from a computer? The following listed solutions will help you quickly fix the iTunes error 3194. Since the scenarios vary from case to case, you can pick the most suitable way for your situation. Solution 1. Update your computer's Apple software. Update your Mac or Windows software first, as this fixes most compatibility issues. On Mac, install the latest macOS update or update iTunes depending on your version and restart. On Windows, either install or update the Apple Devices app via Microsoft Store recommended or update iTunes through Help or Apple's website. After updating, try restoring your iPhone again. Solution 2. Temporarily disable antivirus, firewall and VPN. Security software like Windows Defender, antivirus programs, VPNs, or firewalls can sometimes block iTunes or Apple devices from connecting to Apple servers. Temporarily disabling real-time protection, firewall settings, and any VPN or third-party security tools may resolve the issue. If it works, re-enable your security software afterward and add iTunes or Apple devices as an allowed exception. Solution 3. Edit your host file Windows macOS. A modified host file is a common cause of error 3194, especially if you have used jailbreak tools like TinUmbrella in the past. This file redirects gs.apple.com, Apple's signing server, to a different location. Important: you will need administrator access to your computer to edit this file. If you are not tech savvy, get someone to help you edit the host file. On Windows, close iTunes and the Apple Devices app completely. Navigate to the host file location. See Windows System 30 to drivers, etc. Open Notepad as an administrator. Search for Notepad in the Start menu. Right-click it and select Run as administrator. In Notepad, go to File Open. Navigate to the Etc. folder and change the file filter from Text Documents, Text to All Files. Select the host file and open it. Look for any line that contains gs.apple.com. It may look like 74.208.10.249 gs.apple.com or 17.151.36.30 gs.apple.com. If you find such a line, add a and a space at the beginning of the line to comment it out. 74.208.10.249 gs.apple.com. Alternatively, you can delete the entire line. Do not modify any other entries. Save the file by pressing Ctrl+S. Restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Try restoring your iPhone again. On macOS, close iTunes or the Finder. Open terminal located in Applications Utilities. Type the following command and press return: sudo nano private etc. hosts. Enter your Mac's login password. It will not be displayed as you type and press return. Use the arrow keys to find any line that contains gs.apple.com. Add and a space at the beginning of any such line. Save the file by pressing Ctrl+O, then press return. Exit by pressing Ctrl+X. Restart your Mac. Try restoring your iPhone again. Solution 4. Switch to a different network or computer. If the problem is with your local network or computer, a change of environment can quickly identify the culprit. Try a different network connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, connect your computer directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. Or try restoring your iPhone on a friend's or family member's network. Try a different computer. Use another computer, a friend's, a work computer, or a laptop to attempt the restore. If it works on another computer, the issue is with your original computer's software, network, or security settings. Solution 5. Use a different USB port or cable. Swap the USB cable for a genuine Apple or Apple certified cable. Try a different USB port on your computer, ideally one directly on the motherboard, for example on the back of a desktop PC, not a keyboard or hub. Restart your computer and your iPhone before reconnecting. Solution 6. Fix iPhone 3194 error with iOS system recovery. If you are here, the error 3194 may still exist on your computer without a termination. So, we recommend you try iOS System Recovery, the professional tool to fix numerous iOS system issues like iTunes error 3194, error 4005, etc. Install and open iOS Repair on your computer. Next, plug your iPhone into the computer using a USB cable and tap More Tools iOS System Recovery on the interface. The app will automatically detect the iPhone error 3194 and display it on the interface. Afterward, click Start to proceed. Check and confirm the device information. If necessary, choose the correct information from the drop-down lists. Later, Click Repair to fix the error 3194 automatically. Solution 7. Use the Apple Devices app Windows 10 11 instead. On Windows, the Apple Devices app is the recommended replacement for iTunes to manage iPhones, offering better stability and fewer connection issues. It's available for free on the Microsoft Store for Windows 10 11 and supports backups, iOS updates, restores, and syncing. If error 3194 occurs, standard fixes still apply, such as updating the app, checking firewall settings, and editing the host file. Solution 8. Ask Apple support from help. If the error 3194 still can't be fixed, contact Apple support for advanced diagnosis. They can guide further troubleshooting or arrange repair service. Before visiting an Apple store, book an appointment through Apple's support website and follow the technician's instructions.